Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix 502 Google server error. So first and foremost, what you have to do is you have to launch your browser, and once done, you're going to have to locate a settings button. You will see it on your top right hand side. In here, select settings. Now at this section, you have to access site settings. Now in here, scroll below and make sure JavaScript is allowed. Once you do so, you're going to have to clear some cache. So go ahead and select the settings again. Select privacy and security. Select delete browsing data. Now once done, you can also select the time range from last hour or maybe 24 hours, or you can also do all time. Once you do so, select delete data. And once done, you're going to have to restart your device, launch your browser, and see if it fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then long tap onto your browser, select the eye icon. Scroll below, select Storage, Clear Cache. And once done, you can also select Clear Data. As you do that, all of the saved login history might be deleted, but that's okay. Go ahead, do that. Restart your device, launch your Chrome again, and it should fix your problem.